The Trade Series 20 Diesel by Peerless Products. If you're after an affordable diesel-powered compressor, perfect for running common air tools, for mine use, or petrol isn't an option, this unit is perfect for you. Powering this unit is a Yanmar L48, which is a 4.2 horsepower motor, featuring key ignition and emergency stop, which is essential for all mine sites across Australia. Mounted on this compressor is our triple cylinder full cast iron pump with an alloy head, producing 325 litres of free air at 100 psi with a max pressure of 145 psi. Equipped to this is also our full cast iron flywheel, which blows cool fresh air over the compressor, eliminating heat. This compressor is also slow revving at 880 RPM, which also lowers heat, preserving the life of the compressor. This unit features a stainless steel pressure gauge with dual air outlets, a mounted 12-volt battery, as well as removable solid rubber wheels, a removable handle. This is perfect for flat mounting on the back of a ute. All of this seated on a 70-litre air receiver. If you would like more information on the TS20 Diesel or the rest of our range of Peerless products, feel free to visit our website, social medias, or one of our local Air Compressor Centres across Australia. Alternatively, call our office on 03 54 34 4200. Thanks guys.